welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm doing a recipe spread, and I've been doing Mardi Gras spreads like all week long, so why not just go ahead and do a Mardi Gras recipe spread. So this is going to be for Mardi Gras king cake. King cake is a tradition around Mardi Gras time. If you have ever experienced Mardi Gras, then you know you've got to have king cake during Mardi Gras. So anyway, this is probably going to be a 2-pager, and I wouldn't even be surprised if I need to grab another one and make it a 3-pager, because there are separate ingredients, ingredients and directions for 3 different things. You got your cake, you got the filling, and you got the glaze. So I wouldn't be surprised if this would be a 3-pager. Anyway, I've got my picture here, the Mardi Gras king cake. I love king cake. It's so good. I mean, it's basically, it's kind of like a cinnamon roll. I don't know. But anyway, all right, so what am I going to use to write the recipe at the top? I guess I'm going to use this purple brush pen. So since I knew I was going to do 2 pages, I just split it up and wrote Mardi Gras king cake. I'm going to have to start practicing my hand lettering more. I feel like I haven't been practicing for a while, so I really feel like it's getting like I'm getting off with it. So I usually use this Micron .05 pen to write my recipes with, but I'm thinking maybe I need like a smaller tip for this time. I could use this scribble stuff marker, okay, I think I'm gonna use that. Anyway, I'm gonna fill out the side here. It says yields 16 to 20. Main ingredients, flour, there's a lot of sugar in this. Yeah, I'm gonna put sugar since there's a lot of sugar. Difficulty, ooh, it might be pretty difficult. I don't know. I'm gonna wait until after I write it all. Prep time, 30 minutes. It says cook time. See, I don't know what cook time, but total time is 3 hours. So I'm gonna white that out and put total time instead of cook time. Temperature. Well, my dog hears a dog growling out or barking outside, so he's starting to growl behind me, and I'm probably gonna have to holler at him. Preheat oven to 375. So I'm guessing that's probably 375. All right, so I'm gonna write the same thing over here on this other page. I'm gonna mark out where it says ingredients here and preparation here. And the same thing on this side. Okay. So, the first set of ingredients is for the cake. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There are 11. Okay, I think I'm going to take this green box from JoJo's Rainbow Boxes. And I'm going to take a gold header box. I'm going to write ingredients in that box. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this yellow. All right, I'm going to put this long box right here. I'm going to take this yellow one. Actually, I'm going to put the yellow one down here at the bottom. And I'm going to write cake in it. Now, I wonder if these will fit in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Actually, that's pretty perfect. All right. Let's see if these will fit. I could put them this way. All right, I'm going to write the cake ingredients in here. Okay, I had to move the sticker for that I put cake, the word cake in, for this to be the ingredients for the cake. I had to move it down a little because I needed that last row. All right, so now, let's see. I gotta do the ingredients for the filling, and it's 1, 2, 3. Yeah, there's only 3 ingredients for it. I think I'm gonna use this purple box. And I'm gonna put it this way for that. And maybe use this bright green header size. All right, filling in it. And let's see. I guess I can use these purple, dark purple dot stickers. All right, now I'm gonna write the filling ingredients. I got one more set of ingredients to write down, and that's for the glaze. How many is in that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I think I'm gonna use this yellow double box for that. And let's go to the purple. Header boxes. I think I put that on there crooked though. Let me fix that. Okay. And maybe use these green little triangles. I think I'm gonna use these green triangles for these. And so now I'm gonna write the ingredients for the glaze real quick. So there are all of the ingredients for everything. So now I need to flip back over to the first page here. And let's see, what do I want to do? Do I want to start this little tiny bit with the steps, or do I just want to put all the steps on this? I think I want to just do all the steps on this one. And decorate what little bit I can. So I got a couple of quotes that I made. This one says, "Let them eat king cake." I'll put that right there. And here is a little, it's a cupcake. I know it's not a king cake, but still, I can use it. I'm gonna use this little car. Oops, I just hit my phone. All right, I'm gonna move this car over here and put this crown right there. Put that little mask right there. I could use these streamers. I didn't use any of these on my vertical layout this week. So, and I've got plenty of them. All right, I'm gonna add the Mardi Gras flag right there and move over to the other page. I'm gonna have to put my picture somewhere at some point. I could have probably put it here instead of that crown. I might have to move some stickers around, but we'll see. Okay, so now I'm gonna go to this one. The first set of directions that we gotta write is to make the cake. I'm gonna look for a double box. Okay, I do have a purple double box with lines. And I'm gonna go and grab a gold foil header box. Okay, I'm gonna write to make cake. Not only is that crooked, but I want to kind of layer it on this one. So I'm gonna put this one down. And then lay this one back down. Okay, so I'm gonna start writing the steps to make the cake. I know I'm not gonna get all of them in this one because there's like 5 steps, but I'm gonna try. So, okay, I wrote really, really small and got almost all of it in there. So I'm gonna take maybe this yellow. Well, I don't have one with lines. I need a box with lines on it. Okay, I got a green one. I'm gonna put the green one right here and draw an arrow. Okay, now I'm gonna finish it off. Let's see where I left off. Okay, so writing really, really, really small, I was able to get everything in these 2 boxes. So the instructions to make the cake is with if you have a stand mixer. So there is a little note on here that you can use instead of a stand mixer, what you can do with your hands. So I wrote that over here in the side note. That way I didn't have to use more boxes. So that's that. Now it's time to write the filling instructions. So let's see. I want to use this yellow. I'm gonna put this yellow box right here. And a green header box down here at the bottom. I'm just going to write the filling instructions down here. How many instructions are there? There are 4. Okay. So I'm probably going to have to write small again. Okay. So now the only thing we got left to write is the glaze. All right. Looking good, looking good. I need another box. See, do I have any more purple ones with lines? Could turn this one this way. And use another... Hush, Toby. Use another gold box. Right, glaze. Okay, so I'm gonna start writing the glaze instructions in here. Okay, I got step 1 of the glaze in that box. So I'm gonna put another, I'm just gonna grab that purple box that I had with the lines. And go this way. Finally got all of those written on this sheet. So now I'm going to try to fit this picture on here. Somehow. I think I'm going to trim the picture up actually. I got where I want to lay it. Where did I put my glue pen? Like I was using my glue pen on one of my spreads and now, oh, wait a minute. No. Hang on. Where did it go? Oh, here it is. put these 3 cupcakes right there. I kind of wish I would have done 3 pages because I really don't have a whole lot of room to decorate now. This quote says, "King cake calories don't count." I'm gonna put that right there. Yeah, like I don't really have a whole lot of room to put any decorative stickers down. So I kind of wish I would have made 3 pages. But it is what it is. I probably could move all these boxes and make it into like another page if I wanted to. I could have written bigger and made it into more pages, but oh well. It's done now. I mean, that was a lot of writing. A whole lot of writing. Let's see. What other stickers do I want to grab? All right, now that I've got everything written down, I think I can put the difficulty level down, and I'm probably going to give it like a 3 because, I mean, you got to make dough, you got to roll the dough, you got to put the filling in it, you got to roll it up, you got to, I mean, there's a lot of steps, and it's probably not, you know, that easy for the average person. I really want to put more stickers down. I'm regretting only doing 2 pages here. But it is what it is. So, yeah, I'm going to call it right there and say I'm done. This is my recipe spread for Mardi Gras king cake. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please hit the like button. And, oh my gosh, I hope that wasn't off the whole time. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And I hope to see you guys all in the next video. Bye.